And after the Pune Porsche accident, there's been another luxury car-caused accident that has occurred in Maharashtra. The accident took place, in fact, not just Maharashtra, but actually the heart of Mumbai, when a speeding BMW rammed into a two-wheeler in the Worli area, killing a woman and injuring the man in the accident as they were thrown into the car's bonnet after the impact. The BMW driver has been arrested by the Mumbai police. The car involved in the accident also spotted a Shiv Sena sticker, and attempts were allegedly made very quickly to in fact remove that sticker. What we're now beginning to understand from reports that are emerging very clearly is the fact that the accused in fact indeed does have a link to the Shiv Sena, another hit and run case where a speeding BMW. What we're learning at the moment is that the speeding BMW was allegedly being driven by Mihir Shah, the son of Shiv Sena leader Rajesh Shah, who hit a couple on the bike in Mumbai, and a 45-year-old woman, remember, has died. This is a terrible accident that has taken place in the heart of South Mumbai in Worli, and the speeding BMW is being driven by Shiv Sena leader's son, who is being involved, who is accused of having been driven. He has links to Mihir Shah. So that, of course, is the latest that is coming in at the moment. Let's listen in to the political reactions.
जो मुंबई में हिट एंड रन का जो घटना जो हुई है बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दुखद है, और मैंने पुलिस के साथ बात की है, मेरी बातचीत हुई है। इसमें कोई भी हो उसको एक नजरिए से देखा जाएगा, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। कानूनी कार्रवाई जो है वो सख्त की जाएगी नियम के अनुसार। वो जो भी हो, कानून के सामने सब बराबर है।
इस तरीके से दो व्यक्ति को इस गुने के इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में हमने अभी तक अपने डिटेन किया हुआ है और उनसे पूछताछ जारी है। गाड़ी में जो अभी तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निष्पन्न हुआ है, उस समय गाड़ी में एक राजश्री बिड़ावत और दूसरा जो है मिहिर शाह, ऐसे दो व्यक्ति थे, जिसमें से राजश्री बिड़ावत हमारे पास है।
Let's go right across to NDTV's Radhika tracking the details of this story. Radhika, another horrific crime that has been committed. This time, of course, it's in the heart of South Mumbai in Worli. And now what is emerging is that the driver, in fact, has links to the Shinde Sena. What more details can you share with us?
Well, you know, as far as the details of the entire case is concerned, yes, looks like there is a political connection to this case. The owner of the car, in fact, belongs to Eknath Shinde Sena. He is a leader associated with Eknath Shinde Sena. That's the information that we are getting. And his son was in the car along with the driver. We did speak to the husband, of the person who died in this accident, unfortunate incident. He said that he could see two people in the car, and it was the young man, the 24-year-old son of this politician, who was in fact driving the car, and the driver was sitting next to him. So therefore, sequence of events is something that the police is yet to find out, as the the son is still absconding. His father is being questioned at this point, and the driver, we believe, has also been taken into custody. So at this point, the main accused remains at large. Of course, FIR has been registered. Very unfortunate incident happening in the heart of Mumbai, in Worli, where a 45-year-old woman lost her life. In fact, when we spoke to the the husband who was in fact riding that particular scooter, he also said that she was dragged for several meters on the bonnet of that car. So therefore, very, very tragic details emerging. Husband, did get hospitalized. He's out of danger. Unfortunately, wife succumbed to injuries, and at this point, arrest yet to happen of the main accused. FIR has been registered, multiple people being questioned. Of course, this is also, in a way, taken a political colour, although Aditya Thackeray did refrain from giving it a political colour. He did say that he has requested the police authorities here to take strict action. And of course, Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, also saying that fair probe will be carried out.
All right. In fact, let's listen in, Radhika, to that interview with Uddhav Thackeray, and let's listen into what he said.
I'm joined by Mr. Aditya Thackeray. Mr. Thackeray, you went to Worli police station. What did you speak? What was the conversation like? Did you meet the victim family?
Very heart-wrenching whatever has happened. It's a hit and run case. It's very clear. What is most important is to not give any political support or political color to this. We have demanded that the culprit be arrested right away. The victim's husband is sitting inside. It's a very heart-wrenching thing that he told me how it happened. It's unfortunate, but if you see across Mumbai, such cases of wrong driving, wrong side driving, signal jumping are increasing, and discipline has to come in. But apart from that, without any political support to the culprit, he has to be arrested.
I know you don't want to get into the politics of it, but still we believe that the car belongs to somebody who belongs to Eknath Shinde.
Yes, it belongs to the Minde gang.
Yeah.
But like I said, I'm not, I'm giving the police the benefit of doubt, and I hope that there will be non-political clear action on this.
And we believe the CCTV is also
Yes,
being
all of it.
examined at this point.
Yeah.